Hey, boy.
No.
Get him, Grandma. Hey, folks, what's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trying out a new audio setup today. Trying to complicate my life, but any trade, skill, hobby, you're always trying to improve things, right? So that's what I'm doing. Got Filipina wife number 2 working that broom like a champion. Baby, you look so beautiful working that broom. I mean, you really do, baby. The only thing that is more sexy than Fatima working that broom is when she works that mop. I love to watch her mop the floor because I like a nice clean floor smelling like pine saw. And folks, I order pine saw from S&R. You know, you can't always find it. A lot of times they're out of the pine scent. They'll have a different scent, but when I go to order and they have that pine scent in stock, I double down because I love to smell that pine saw. You know, when I was a kid, that's what everybody cleaned with, right? Let me just, I'm gonna spin you around right here. Show you what's going on here. Old girl working that mop. Maria's playing, getting ready for school. Baby, I'm trying to make an award-winning YouTube show. You pay knocking my table. Pay 20 pesos extra editing fee. Dig, 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 old girl. Dig, dig, dig. Good job, Fatima. Churning that butter.
I got 2 wives. One for Forrest, one for me.
Good job, sweetie girl. Dig, 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 old girl. Dig, dig, dig. I love it when you mop the floor, baby. You got pine saw going on in there?
Wala kay pine saw daw.
What? We're out of pine saw? How did this happen? All right, now we're back to 2-channel audio. This is 1 arm's length away. Check 1, check 1. Hey, son. What you doing, buddy, bro?
Ito what to check.
Good job, Maria.
Ila?
5.
Hello, cry, Daddy. I don't like cats.
Jelas, nababaliktad.
Daddy, can you open
Nakuha ko itong lam dahil ano siya na, pero lam siya. Atong dako dahil. Kuha pag-usay nga ni Daddy today.
Did you like the sand that I brought you over there with the blocks, the beach?
Pag nga rin ko anday, palihog dahil.
Fresh or no?
Pag plato dito tayo dyan, kasi ko ito ka si Maria dyan. Oh, dyan. Isuod niya dyan eh. Huwag ko. Ay, ablihi. Ito ating Mildred.
Ano man ni siya?
Wala po.
Sino po?
Naaoy.
Sa'yo.
Ayun na eh. Why you not buy the butter? Reja, akong kahoy na luwag. Pakuha ko.
I got an idea. Let's put the dirty wipes in here.
Good idea, Maria.
Ayun.
Hey, is the cooking table too high? Do you need me to chop it down a little bit?
Oh, you chop. Oh my God. Garlic sauce. Legend, palihog sa usa ka garlic chop mo. Hoy, hoy.
Like this, Daddy.
Good job, Maria.
Yes, like this.
Good job.
Look, Daddy.
Ano si Fatima?
Lagay mo yung chok. Nauna itong pisay manghang.
Because I like big and I cannot lie. Your other brothers can't deny.
Ay, ako may nag-ikapong luto, ano? Kalit ang lutoon?
Look, Daddy. Yes, so I make a frog. You can make a monkey.
So pretty, Fatima. What's this called? Patong?
Hindi nga na rin. Ha? Hindi nga na rin.
Tahong.
Tahong. Tahong ni Carla. Boom, choco, boom. Ang tahong ni Carla. Luto, manggod. Luto, lagi na. Luto, manggod. Ilaw yun ito, Jit.
Here's your spoon, Daddy.
Thank you very much, sweetie girl.
Daddy, you're going
Sit
to
down.
town with your beer.
Sit down.
Okay, yeah, you go to
Kung
town on that
palagay mo
rice
siya.
and shrimp.
Okay.
Folks, we're truly blessed. We're truly blessed with this pork chop, shrimp, tajón. I got me a beer.
Yeah.
Then you got some Heinz ketchup. Folks, we are truly blessed, and I want to thank y'all for watching our show, listening to my voice. Thanks to you. Thanks to you, the viewer. Y'all allow me to live this lifestyle on the circle. Appreciate it. Fatima, can you turn the camera that way just a little bit? Just grab that handle. Don't get your chicken. No, that's the tripod. Grab the handle.
This one?
No, that's not a handle.
This
what looks
one?
like a handle? There you go. Then just move it to the left. That's the wrong way. Yeah, one little bit more. Is everybody in frame?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right, we'll stop. Now I got chicken grease all over my counter.
Oh, free.
How much is an FX3 worth with chicken grease all over? We're gonna eat, folks. Thanks for joining us. Hey, you wanna pay the light bill? Close that door, girl.
Uy, Forrest, you sit down in your chair. Come on.
Bye.
Go. Sit down in your chair. Go.
Maria, did you have a good day in school?
Yes, I like to play.
No, you got to play a little bit, right?
No, I like to play many times.
Pick you up a little later tomorrow.
Ano lang po yun? You want to stay in
Are you
there?
good for Miss Joy?
Are you sure?
Too much talking, huh?
Miss Joseph?
I didn't talk to her, but I'll ask her tomorrow.
Jaja, the bar. The bar.
Gabor. Jaja Gabor.
The bar?
Jabor.
Not,
Gabor, the Gabor.
not the bones. Jaja Gabor.
Jabor.
Fatima.
Jabor.
Yeah, not the bones.
Jabor.
Gabor?
Jaja Jabor.
Mm-hmm.
Jabor, lagi ke. Ano ka plato? Magkano mo, Jess? Jim, di na takatan auto-auto mo kung TV.
Ladies, the garlic rice. Garlic rice needs some work. Okay? Needs some work, alright?
Ang dati?
What kind of work?
Improvement.
Di takatan auto-auto kung TV. Ano?
It needs a major improvement.
Ila.
No delicious.
Ila. Siya mo luto rin.
Gotta be honest.
Kita. Aguanta.
It's either no good, good, or delicious. I would just say this is good.
At least good only. Good. That's no good.
And I'm not rating it no good. But ain't nothing delicious.
Good, very good, delicious, very delicious.
We only got three. No good, good, delicious. Good basically means you can eat it, but it ain't good.
At least you can eat. Hindi mauro.
I gotta go back to cooking, folks. I gotta cook every night. These ladies,
Charot!
they just can't do it.
Charot!
And someone over the door.
They can't pull it off, folks. They try.
Char naman.
Give them an A for effort.
Charot naman.
If this were a restaurant, we wouldn't make it. And this is what I call the crunchy rice. Crunchy rice.
Rest na daw. Kaya, Ajen. Rest. Ini sa.
claim dira. Hindi na rin ito ang
I just gotta be honest with you. What do you mean?
Yeah, tika ka Mark.
Foreigner shocked at the tahong. It was so.
Isa?
Oh, we go there after
That white
pizza.
lasagna at Paisano's Pizza is almost reason enough to move to Angeles City.
Dapat
My buddy's restaurant, Poppy's Bar and Chill, everything there. Reason enough to move back to Angeles City.